May we call on Mr. R.J.C. Bernardo to deliver the message on behalf of Dr. Ariel C. Bernardo, one of our Banaag awardees.
Whether we are recognized or not, the love and passion to help our fellow kababayans will always be there. Isang bonus na lang ang pagkilala sa ating lahat ng mga presidential awardees because we don't have to be recognized just to start serving and helping others. I'm pretty sure we would always do the things we do whether we are recognized or not. Maraming salamat po sa ating Pangulong President Mayor Rodrigo Roa Duterte at sa lahat ng bumubuo ng CFO. It's a humbling and overwhelming privilege to be conferred in the most inclusive and the highest honor given by the Philippine government to Filipinos and organizations based overseas. If it were not through the cumulative efforts and help of our family members, parents, siblings, ministry partners, and friends, this wouldn't be possible. Sa buong Bernardo family, sa aking sister-in-law na si Ate Jessa, at sa kanilang 5 anak, sa Kahukom family, sa DICM family, Poyman family, and all our ministry partners worldwide, maraming salamat po. We are all here today because of servant leadership. We are all here because we are serving people. We are serving our respective organizations, churches, and para-church communities from different parts of the world, representing the rich culture of our country, the Philippines. We may have different contributions and ministries, but everything we do is for the purpose of helping, uniting, and uplifting our countrymen across the world. Let us always remember, ang tagumpay ng isa ay tagumpay ng lahat. At ang pagbagsak ng isa ay pagbagsak ng lahat. So isang karangalan ang magkaroon ng pasanin upang makapagserbisyo sa ating kapwa Pilipino na nasa ibayong dagat. As we rise to the challenge of new beginnings this post-pandemic, let us all unite in serving and leading people to the best of our God-given abilities wherever we are stationed around the globe. May nakakapansin man sa atin o wala, napapasalamatan man tayo o di kaya'y kuminsan nababaliwala. Laging tatandaan na kapag tayo'y naglilingkod sa Diyos, magiging natural na lamang ang paglilingkod natin sa ating bayan at sa ating kapwa. Undoubtedly, we are all here because of our noble advocacies in helping our nation as we leave a legacy in making a big difference in our generation. As I end, I would like to remind everyone to never underestimate the power of your impact, influence, and leadership, because even the most introverted person can influence 10,000 people in his lifetime. And I'm pretty sure each of us here can influence beyond that number for our lifetime. To each and every leader here, and to all the awardees who are physically and virtually present at this moment, to all our family members and friends, you all deserve this recognition. You are very much loved and you are very much treasured. You are very much recognized and appreciated. Maraming salamat sa Diyos sa ating mga buhay na malaking kasangkapan upang mapagpala ang ating bansa at ang ating mga minamahal na kababayan. On behalf of my brother, Dr. Ariel Bernardo, ako po si R.J. Bernardo, nagpapasalamat sa ating Pangulo, President Mayor Rodrigo Roa Duterte, Secretary Justice Francisco Acosta, at sa ating gobyerno sa pagkilala sa bawat magigiting na kapwa Pilipino na handang magsakripisyo upang makatulong sa ating mga kababayang Pilipino na nagkalat sa iba't ibang parte ng mundo. Maraming salamat po purihin at dakilaan ng ating Panginoon, ang napakabuting Panginoon at karapat-dapat na parangalan ang ngalan ng ating Panginoong Hesukristo. Mabuhay po ang Pilipinas at mabuhay ang bawat Pilipino. Salamat po.